Ladies, you would think at 57 years old, I wouldn't care what people thought about my legs, but the truth is for most of my adult life, I've never worn shorts. I've always worn long skirts in the summer until about 12 months ago, and I discovered ways that not only improve the appearance of my legs, but have actually given me a bit of shape. I'm going to share with you 4 exercises that have transformed my shape and given me all the confidence that I didn't have before. Number 1, first of all, as we get older, we get these loose parts of our thighs, and we tend to get crepey skin here and heaviness on our thighs and our knees. It's all a lack of collagen, and it's the way that our fat gets distributed. Now, when we build muscle and bone density, that can change. This has been a game changer for me. Let me show you how. First of all, we're going to start with a normal little health bounce. Now, let me turn to the side. That is literally just me lifting my heels up and down, not completely coming off of the rebounder, up and down just to get warmed up. But what this is doing, believe it or not, is helping with my stability. That's my core, helping with my glutes, thighs, quads. It is helping with my calf muscles as well. And doing this actually is going to build muscle on the lower part of your body. It's also helping, let me move around, show you, helping with stability. And of course, as long as we are helping with our stability and our balance, we're going to avoid unnecessary falls and bone breaks and that sort of thing. So that is what we call a health bounce. Now, that's the first thing that I do when I get on my rebounder and I do an 8-minute exercise, 4 moves. This is move number 1. The second move I do is simple jumping jacks, just literally coming in and out. You don't have to get your hands involved. In fact, if you're a little nervous, you can actually use the handlebar that comes with my rebounder, but this is easy. Few of these. We're going to do these for 2 minutes. So it's the health bounce first for 2 minutes, then some jumping jacks. Get your arms in, girls. Workouts. Let's have a little cardio while having fun. That is move number 2. That is really we're getting my heartbeat up. It's going to get difficult to talk. I might get out of puff, but that is just a regular jumping jack. That's move number 2. So that's simple. First of all, health bounce. Number 2, jumping jacks. Number 3, we're going to do what I call a jumping lunge, and it's very straightforward. It's literally left and right, little switcheroo. Left and right. Make sure that you're keeping soft knees. Everything that I'm showing you, you must make sure that we've got soft knees. Now, this doesn't look like much, but we're working our quads, we're working our balance. I've got my core engaged, and it's also going to help with the shape of my legs. Do you know what else it's doing? It's helping with blood flow, and it's helping with lymphatic drainage. And you know what they do? They encourage the production of more collagen, which helps with the appearance of your crepey skin. It's also, of course, building muscle. When we're building muscle, we're helping with our bone density. We're helping with our longevity. We're helping with our wellness, ladies. That's what it's all about. This is what it looks like from the front, and that's it. That is our little jumping lunge. That is move number 3. Remember, 2 minutes for each move. Ready for move number 4. Okay, let's do the final move. Now, this one, I won't lie to you, it's a bit more tricky, it is more challenging, and you're going to feel the burn. But that's the point. We're building muscle in a fun, accessible way. We're going to go into a squat as deep as you can go, but be warned, if you go too deep, you're going to feel challenged. If you go too high, you're not going to get the results. So around about here, and we're going to do little taps. Little taps. Can you see? I'm not pulling my leg all the way up. I am literally in half praying at the moment that I can get through it. Little just toe taps. I'll come round. It's going to look bonkers. Let me show you. And we're going to do this for 2 minutes. Woo! Yes, I'm feeling the burn. I can feel it, but I know it's only 2 minutes. And when my timer is up, I can relax. So don't forget, that's just 4 moves, 2 minutes each. That's 8 minutes. You can absolutely do this. And you know what? I think it's prime time that you invested in your health and wellness too. There's a hint in there. Bellicon, the manufacturers of my rebounder, have a Prime Day sale, up to 29% discount. And if you use my code SALIT4, you're going to get an extra 10%. But remember, that's just for Prime Day only. The truth is, I have wasted years worrying about my legs. Not anymore. These simple exercises have transformed how I feel and how I look. And you know what? They're going to do the same for you as well. Let me know how you get on. Thanks for watching.